What if the Big Bang wasn't the beginning of everything? What if the creation of our cosmos was just one of countless Big Bangs, and new universes are still being formed out there today? Based on the data collected, a team of experts has even proposed that our universe might have been created through a cosmic collision with another universe. A simple question, but one that opens up a web of fascinating and complex possibilities. The debate about what came before the Big Bang may seem superfluous at first glance, yet not all experts agree with the notion of nothing as the answer. One of the most influential voices in this debate, the late Stephen Hawking, famously said, "The question of what was before the Big Bang is just as pointless as asking which direction is north of the North Pole, because time itself only began with the Big Bang." This is an event that cannot have been caused by anything or anyone for Hawking. The laws of nature themselves suggest that the universe could have come into existence without the need for any external cause or energy. However, not everyone shares this view. Other renowned physicists like Michio Kaku believe there was something before the Big Bang, and that string theory could offer us a glimpse into that mysterious phase of the cosmos. According to Kakoku, Einstein said that the universe is a kind of bubble that is expanding. However, string theory says there are other bubbles out there, a whole bubble bath of universes. If string theory is correct, and such a multiverse exists, this theory leads to an astonishing possibility: every conceivable world exists. In other words, the existence of life in our universe may not have been a mere happy accident, but an inevitable outcome, as one universe out of many just happened to have the right conditions for life to arise. But whether there is just a single universe or a cosmic foam bath of multiple universes, how do we even know when and how the universe came into being? To understand this, we must rewind the cosmic clock to the 1920s, when astronomers made a groundbreaking realization: most distant galaxies are moving away from us. Over time, scientists discovered that it's not the galaxies that are moving through space, but rather space itself that is expanding. Once experts realized this, they could trace the universe's expansion backward in time, ultimately calculating a point of infinite density and zero spatial distances. This point, called the original singularity, marked the extreme origin from which all matter, space, and time emerged about 13.8 billion years ago, according to the cosmological standard model. However, something extraordinary happened right after the Big Bang. The universe expanded at an unprecedented rate. Experts theorized that the universe expanded by a factor of 10 to the power of 30 to 10 to the power of 100 during this period of cosmological inflation. It's a span of time that makes the blink of an eye seem like an eternity. But there's a catch: despite how widely accepted inflation theory is, it remains one of the biggest mysteries in modern cosmology. Some still question whether inflation even occurred at all. Those who support the theory argue that a special field, the inflaton field, significantly influenced this rapid expansion. Depending on its state, this field could cause the universe to expand, stagnate, or accelerate in wild bursts. If the inflaton field was in a false vacuum shortly after the Big Bang, tiny quantum fluctuations could have caused it to shift into a true vacuum or into another false vacuum with lower energy, sparking the universe's rapid expansion. While this is the prevailing theory, some physicists like Paul Steinhardt and Alexander Vilenkin have put forth a more unsettling hypothesis. They argue that inflation didn't stop entirely, and instead, random quantum fluctuations could have formed bubbles in which inflation continued while it stopped elsewhere. These bubbles would essentially be universe pocket separate subspaces where different universes could emerge. This alternative theory suggests that the Big Bang wasn't the beginning of everything, but merely the birth of inflation halting within our own cosmic bubble. In this scenario, there would be no true beginning, only an eternal inflationary process, with new universe bubbles forming and splitting off continually. Now, the James Webb Telescope has contributed to one of the most intriguing cosmic mysteries of all: could our universe have collided with another? The Hubble constant indicator of the speed at which space is currently expanding has long been calculated at 67 km per megaparsec using theoretical models. But when measured using supernovae, red giants, gravitational lenses, and variable stars, the number shoots up to 73 kms per megaparsec, a discrepancy that simply cannot be ignored. This means the universe is expanding faster than our current models predict. The James Webb Telescope recently confirmed this discrepancy, prompting researchers to revisit our understanding of the cosmos. Experts believe that exotic particles, or unknown forms of dark energy and dark matter, could be at play. But a new theory has emerged that suggests something even more astonishing: the accelerated expansion of our universe could be driven by constant collisions with other universes. According to a recent study by Yanni Morin and Yuki Wabi, published in the Journal of Cosmology and Astroparticle Physics, the merger with baby universes could explain the discrepancy better than our existing models. Their research even shows that the expansion rate predicted by this theory aligns more closely with observed data in space. In essence, they suggest that the early universe wasn't merely inflating, it was swallowed by a larger mother universe that set it on its own collision course, where it began to merge with and absorb other baby universes over time. But could this really be the answer we've been looking for? The chain of events doesn't stop there. If we take this theory seriously, it suggests a more mind-blowing idea. What if our universe is still colliding with other universes right now? The universe we inhabit may still be growing and evolving by continuously merging with these baby universes, each collision causing a ripple through space and time, expanding and shaping our cosmos in ways we're only beginning to understand. Every new discovery seems to unlock another mystery, leading us to wonder whether we've truly uncovered the cosmic truth, or if we're merely scratching the surface of something far greater and more complex than we could ever imagine. So, does this mean we've finally uncovered the true origin of the Big Bang and cosmic inflation? Not so fast. The chain of cosmic events would simply stretch backward in time, leaving us with even more questions than answers. As of now, only the future will tell whether the baby universe theory or the standard model of cosmology will provide the answers we seek. But one thing is for certain: the mystery of our universe's creation is far from solved. And with each new discovery, we are getting closer to uncovering the ultimate truth. Want to dive deeper into the mysteries of the cosmos? Click the subscribe button, hit like, and make sure to stay tuned for more incredible discoveries. You won't want to miss what's coming next. As the universe unfolds before our very eyes, we are on the cusp of unlocking secrets that could change everything we thought we knew about the cosmos. See you soon.